Hey guys, so it's me, Nicolette Mashile. Oh my god! In actual fact, my new name is Nicolette, best-selling author Mashile. And thank you to you guys. Thank you so much. It's been an absolutely crazy 4 weeks. Yeah, because we started before even the actual release of the book, right? Book was released on the 1st of August, but already we had pre-orders open. And I thought, okay, no, we're going to get like 200 pre-orders. We are ready to dispatch everybody's deliveries. We're going to be on time. Everything is going to be amazing. Dololo. You guys were like, Nicolette, you don't know us. Nicolette, we will always support you. And you guys came through in your numbers. You supported me. We had over 800 pre-orders. And let me tell you, it's not even just 800 pre-orders, because in actual fact, many people didn't order just one book, right? People were ordering 4 books. People were ordering 20. There's one person that actually bought 100 books. Shout out to Arabile Gomete. He bought 100 books and only wanted 2. One for himself and one for his sister. And I'm going to be giving away the others. Those books are still with me because we have not even gotten a chance to sit down and actually say, okay, right, who are the winners? Because we ran a competition, right? We have not even sat down to say, okay, how do we get these books to our winners? So it's been crazy, guys. So shout out to everybody that did bulk orders. Shout out to everybody that bought a book. I'm so sorry if I didn't get to your place. I couldn't be everywhere at the same time. And deliveries have been insane. So we thought, no, we can handle this. We went to a different number of delivery and courier guys, and they were like, girl, we can't handle this big number. You want this done in a week? There's no way we're going to get it done. So a lot of it, I had to bring in external people. I hired some female-owned courier companies, so really excited about that. And thank you. And then we went into exclusive books and we blew their mind. Within a week of being there, we are top 10 bestsellers. And mind you, this is a non-fiction book. So we did really well. And thank you to South Africa. Thank you to Namibia. Thank you to Botswana. And thank you to Swaziland. I am getting into the other countries. I'm trying, guys. Customs has been a nightmare, especially to my Namibians. Oh my God. We have sent parcels to Namibia for exclusive books and for the pre-orders. And even today, we're still struggling to get them cleared at customs. And they're just giving us the runaround. But you know what? I believe in a living God, so I'm not too stressed about it. I'm just grateful that the guys who ordered books from Namibia have been so patient with me, and I really do appreciate it. Yeah, so all the other countries, I'm coming through. We're coming through with Take A Lot. I tested Take A Lot today. We're coming through with Amazon. It will be an ebook. There will be an audio version of it. I'm translating the book into some of the major South African vernacular languages and into Swahili, so that's quite exciting. But I'm not here to tell you only about the book, because it's been an absolutely amazing ride for me. A lot of learning, a big journey for me, because for some people, I went to deliver at their homes, and I just got to see how people in South Africa are living, and it just gave me so much goosebumps to believe that many people want financial education, and we're going to keep going, we're going to keep trying, right? But today I want to talk a little bit about the difference between bond insurance and life insurance. So I didn't come here only to talk about the book, guys. I actually came here to give you some information around bond insurance and life insurance. So one of the questions I get quite a lot is, do I really need to get any type of bond insurance? Well, technically, yes, because at the end of the day, if you have a bond, so what is a bond? A bond is due to the fact that you have a home loan credit agreement. So when you apply and you want to buy a house using the bank financing, you apply for what is called a home loan credit agreement. Once your home loan has been approved and the bond is registered with the South African Revenue Services, you now have a bond. So the bank becomes the bond issuer and you become the bond holder, I think, if I'm not mistaken, because English right now, listen, it's 5 o'clock, my English is gone. It's not even 5 o'clock, it's actually going to 6, so my English is not trying to be present right now. So anyway, so now you've got what is called a bond. So there's actually, if you think about the word bond, there is a bond between you and the bank, because you owe the bank money. The bank gave you an amount of money to purchase something that you could not afford at a specific time. So there's a bond between you, and it is a legal bond. That's why it's a registered bond, right? Now, the bank, because there is a potential loss of your life, the bank will require that you get what is called a bond insurance, or you cede your bond to a life insurance or assuring company. So what does this mean? One, on the other side, basically what you are insuring is the skoloto, the fact that you owe them. So they need you to make sure that if something happens to you and you are unable to commit or actually service that bond, there will be somebody or some resource that can step up and actually pay for that bond. Whether you are disabled, permanently, temporarily disabled, and you are unable to derive an income, that person or that company that has insured your bond will then step in and make those payments on your behalf, so that your house bond does not go into arrears and you find yourself in a situation where you're in danger of the house being repossessed and the bank now having to sell to try and recover their money back. The other option you've got is ceding a portion of your life insurance. What does this mean? So basically, let's say you have 1 million rands worth of life insurance and you've got a bond of 500,000. You can cede 500,000 of your life insurance to the bond issuer. So if something happens to you, death, permanent disability, or any type of disability, and you are unable to derive an income, the life insurance will pay out that bond that you still owe, and your beneficiaries will get the balance of it. So if you have 1 million rand and you pass away, they will then pay the 500,000 rand if that's the outstanding balance at the time of your untimely death, right? They will settle that amount of money and then the balance will be given to your family. What are the pros and the cons of both of these two things? Well, I always say when it comes to bond insurance, you must remember that one, it will lower as the amount that you owe lowers. And the day you settle your bond and you no longer have a bond that's keeping you and whatever bank you've got, you no longer need the insurance, so the insurance will fall away. So all your premiums will also fall away, but the money that you have paid, because it's an insurance policy or an insurance product, you ain't gonna get that money back. Okay? It was an insurance, it was an umbrella for when you had a skoloto of a home loan or a bond. Now, on the other side with the life insurance, the moment you settle, what will happen is that the 1 million rand will be reinstated in full as your life insurance benefit for your beneficiaries. So they will get the full amount of money because there is no bond to settle if you pass on. However, it is an administrative duty of whoever has ceded a portion of their life insurance to go and reclaim back that session once the bond has been settled. Some of the banks will send a letter to say you have settled, you've got on your title deed. Some of them won't. At the end of the day, it's for you and your beneficiaries, so you need to make sure that once you settle, you go and tell the insurance company that the session no longer needs to be in place because you've settled that bond that they were actually insuring. So which one you need, it's up to you. Remember also, as I said, as the skoloto goes down, so is your premium going down. Because if you owe 500,000 rand, let's say maybe you quoted at 500 rand for your bond insurance. But as you start to owe less and less, you should essentially be paying less because the value of what you are insuring has also gone down. So it makes sense for you to actually get it lowered. Yeah, guys, so that is me. Remember, nothing that I say constitutes as financial advice. If you are looking for financial advice, please speak to somebody who is certified and registered with the FSCA to give you financial advice. But again, I'm asking you, what's your move? Remember that you can get a copy of my book at any exclusive books, Bargain Books, or at www.whatsyourmove.co.za. Right now, we've run out of copies, so we're waiting for another print run. This is the 3rd print run. You guys are fantastic. I can't help it but to love you guys so much. And I'm so excited, guys. I'm so excited. Oh, we're gonna be running a social media competition where you can win 10,000 rand. If you've read the book, there's gonna be questions about the book. Don't worry, guys, I didn't forget you about the quizzes. I know I owe you 3 or 4 months worth of quizzes. They're gonna come. It's just been crazy on my side, but a good crazy. Crazy is good, right? Because you guys already know I'm crazy, so let's be crazy together. Onwards and upwards. Dintanda nonke amakhaya. Nicolette Mashile, Nicolette, a best-selling author, signing out. Oh no, I need to tell you guys about. Okay, I'll tell you guys in the next video. Sharp. Mwah.